Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler 300 radio. Sometimes, your infotainment system might act up, showing a frozen screen or having trouble connecting to Bluetooth. These common issues can be frustrating, but a simple reset often resolves them. It's a quick way to clear minor software glitches and restore normal functionality, getting your system back on track without a trip to the service center. The easiest way to perform a soft reset is right from your dashboard. First, ensure your car's ignition is in the run position. Then, locate your radio's volume and tuner knobs. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. You'll see the screen go blank, and then the Chrysler logo will reappear as the system reboots. This simple step often fixes many minor issues. For more persistent problems, you might need a deeper reset. One method is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. Remember, the battery is often in the trunk. Another option is to pull the specific radio fuse, usually a 20-amp fuse, from the trunk's power distribution center for 10 minutes. You can also perform a factory reset through the System Settings menu, but be aware this will erase all your saved preferences and data. After any reset, give your radio system a few minutes to fully restart and load all its functions. If you disconnected the battery, you might need to recalibrate your power windows and the electronic stability program. Always check for available software updates for your Uconnect system, as these can prevent future glitches and improve overall performance. If issues persist, consulting your owner's manual or a professional is recommended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.